In this video, we will explore the key data types in Python and how they are used to organize and manipulate data. Let's start with numbers in Python. There are two main types, integers and floats. Integers represent whole numbers, while floats represent decimal numbers. Code example 1, number underscore 1, equal sign 10 number underscore 2, equal sign 3.14. Another important data type is strings, which are used to represent text or sequences of characters. Code example 2, name equal sign Max Musterman. Lists are ordered collections of elements that can contain different data types. Code example 3, fruits equal sign apple, banana, orange. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed after creation. Code example 4, coordinates equal sign 10, 20. Dictionaries allow us to store and retrieve key value pairs. Code example 5, person equal sign name. Max Musterman, age, 30, occupation, programmer. These are the basic Python data types you should be familiar with. We covered numbers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. These data types are versatile and enable us to efficiently organize and manipulate data. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of Python data types has been helpful. If you'd like to learn more about programming with Python, feel free to explore our other resources. Until next time!